This year will either make you or break you. Most new YouTubers will waste 1 or 2 years chasing a dream only to quit and blame the platform. But here's the truth. YouTube isn't just a website, it's a machine designed to create influencers. And if you don't understand how it works, your failure is guaranteed. So don't even think about skipping this video, because every single point I'm about to share could decide whether you grow or disappear. At the start of every year, millions of creators make the same promise to themselves. This year, I'm going to grow my channel. I'll gain subscribers no matter what. I'll monetize at any cost. But then 1 month passes and nothing happens. No growth, no revenue, no audience. Frustration builds, and most of them give up. Why? Because they never understood how YouTube really works. They upload blindly, hoping the algorithm will magically notice them. But YouTube doesn't reward effort, it rewards results. Think of it this way. You upload a brand new video, YouTube shows it to a small test audience. If they click your thumbnail, if they stay hooked, if they watch longer than average, YouTube expands the reach. If not, your video dies right there. This is how the platform keeps viewers watching longer. The more people stay, the more ads YouTube sells. That's the system, and 90% of creators never realize this. That's why they burn out uploading daily videos that go nowhere. Back in 2014, YouTube was different. There weren't many creators. Consistency alone could get you viral. But by 2018, competition exploded. YouTube had to filter quality, so long-form educational and documentary-style videos started dominating. Then came 2020. Attention spans dropped. Shorts arrived. Suddenly, 15 seconds could bring millions of views. And today, both formats matter. Shorts hook the audience, but long-form builds trust and revenue. The point is, YouTube evolves. If you're still stuck in 2014, uploading daily random videos hoping for a miracle, you're not failing because of hard work. You're failing because you didn't adapt. Here's the harsh truth. Quantity doesn't beat quality. Imagine 2 channels. One uploads 365 below average videos a year. The other uploads just 4. But every single one is high quality, scripted, and engaging. Guess which one grows faster? It's always quality. Because one great video can bring millions of subscribers, while hundreds of weak videos can bury your channel in obscurity. Creators like Mr. Beast and Marques Brownlee prove this. They focused on fewer but better videos, and they skyrocketed past those grinding daily uploads. Now let's talk money. Many creators think monetization is the end goal, but here's what most don't know. YouTube recently lowered requirements. Yes, you can monetize with just 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, or 3 million shorts views. But there's a catch. You don't get ad revenue, you only unlock super chat, memberships, and merch shelf. The real money, AdSense, still requires the 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours, or 10 million shorts views. So if you think you'll survive on early monetization features, you're wrong. YouTube rewards true quality, not shortcuts. Another thing most creators ignore: copyright and AI policies. Using AI voices? Fine, as long as you don't clone a real celebrity like Trump or Elon Musk. Editing with AI? No problem, as long as it's your original work. But steal someone else's content, run it through AI and call it your own. You're finished. I've seen million subscriber channels vanish overnight for breaking these rules. Knowledge is power. Learn copyright, learn fair use, learn attribution, or risk losing everything you work for. Competition is brutal. Every niche has it. There's no such thing as an easy niche anymore. If you think you can find one with zero competition, you're living in a fantasy. The only way to survive is to adapt. When editing trends changed, big creators who refused to switch got left behind. New creators with fresh editing styles, animations, and storytelling took their place. This is how you win, by staying unique, by doing what others aren't. But even if you master content, there's something bigger. Your audience. Viewers don't just want a celebrity on screen. They want a mentor, a friend, someone who engages. That's why I replied to hundreds of DMs when I was starting. That's why I answered comments one by one. This builds loyalty. This builds a family. And when you have that, you're unstoppable. Even if you start a cooking channel tomorrow, your people will support you because you built trust. So let's end with this. Right now, becoming a YouTuber isn't enough. Anyone can upload videos, but becoming an influencer, that requires adaptation, quality, consistency, engagement, and above all, trust. If you treat this platform like a slot machine, you'll lose. If you treat it like a career, you'll win. Now the question is, are you ready to stop wasting years and finally build something real? If this video gave you clarity, prove it. Drop a comment saying, "I'm ready." I'll personally reply to as many as I can. And if you want me to dive deeper into analytics, SEO, or monetization hacks, let me know. Subscribe, because this journey isn't just about YouTube growth, it's about turning you into the influencer you were meant to be.